Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm SD Aditya Sharma. So today let's know about the main thing, which is what are the network companies. So rupay, mastercard, maestro, visa are some famous network companies, and American Express and other are some important network companies. So let us know what are network companies, what are their uses, why they are used, how they came into existence and all. So let's start our video. So these are some network companies. In ancient times, means some after independence, after some time, after the economic policy of 1991, when the foreign banks came to India, and first, now if you go to any ATM, you and your card is of any ATM, you can withdraw how much ever cash you want. But in olden period, it was not like that. If you had to withdraw cash, you had to go to the ATM of the company which you have your card. For example, if you had an card of bank A, for example bank A, you have to go to the bank A to withdraw money. You cannot withdraw money in any other banks at all. So to correct that, then this was waste of infrastructure, money, and you had to go to a long distance to find your ATM, and that was all a very problem thing. So what they did to resolve this was network companies came into existence, which are Visa, rupay, mastercard, maestro, American Express, etc. As you can see at the right bottom end of your card, you can see mastercard, rupay, visa. Rupay is an Indian company, except that everything is a foreign company, or precisely American company, and these use these are important to transactions, because when, for example, a person goes to ATM and he has the card of bank A, and he puts his card in this place, so these details go to the network company, which is, let's take example as rupay. Doesn't go to another bank. If they get the data of the another bank or the customers of the another bank, they can attract the customers and change them to their bank, which they didn't want to share the details of who are their customers. So what they did was they shared the details, or the network companies got the details. The network companies verify if the transaction is done by them, and then they approve the transaction and they get money. And not only in this, in other transactions like online transaction, and when you go to a store, you do the transaction, in that also the network companies are only used. And these and now they have enabled tap and pay option, which you can show this mark, as you can see. Will show to you. As you can see, this Wi-Fi like mark, this mark is used as the mark in which you can transact, you can do the transaction up to 5,000 without entering your PIN, which is a new feature that has came. And rupay was an Indian company which was only available in limited cards, but now it has developed itself and made some changes in itself, and now it is overtaking Visa and mastercard, and it's growing very very fastly in India. So these are the network companies which we daily use in our transactions. So in India, the most transactions are not done by cards, which is shocking thing. They are done by UPI, which stands for United Payment Interference. We can know about UPI in our future videos, so you can share this to your friends so that they can also know how the cards work. And you can subscribe if you like the content, and you can push the like button also. So let's meet in our next video. You can also tell on what topic you want the next video to be. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.